So how do we actually fix our HeyMelody app not working? So firstly, what we need to do is to actually close our HeyMelody app and instead go to the settings on our phone here, as you can see. Scroll down and make sure that Bluetooth settings here is turned on for your mobile. That is very important. Then scroll all the way down here and click on apps, as you can see if you have that one, and then search for the HeyMelody app and click on the HeyMelody app here, as you can see now. Make sure that the HeyMelody app, the Bluetooth here is also turned on for that one, of course. And wireless data, you can set it to VLAN and mobile data. If that still isn't fixing it, go to your app store if you have an iPhone or Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here, just search for HeyMelody and click here. And then scroll down and click on the app. If this button says instead of open says update, you need to click on it because you need to make sure that you have the most up-to-date version of the HeyMelody app. Otherwise, it might not work, just so you know. So try this and hopefully now it's gonna work for you as well.